A non-consumable tungsten electrode is held in a torch. A shielding gas is fed through the torch to provide an inert plasma atmosphere that will protect the tungsten electrode and the weld pool from atmospheric contamination. A hot plasma arc is established and conducts electricity between the tip of the electrode and the workpiece without touching the workpiece. The intense heat of the arc melts the work close to the arc and forms a weld pool. The torch is moved forward across the work at an appropriate travel speed and arc length, moving the molten weld pool ahead of the electrode. The arc progressively melts the surfaces of the joint. If specified, a filler rod is added to the leading edge of the weld pool to fill the joint, ensuring the required strength of the weld. A continuous weld is formed.